Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discuss furthermore examples based upon accounting equation. The example number 8 of book states there are 3 points and you will have to prepare accounting equation on this basis. The first point states that business started with cash of 1 lakh and goods worth rupees 20,000. So how we will solve it? We will write cash 1 lakh, stock 20,000, and in capital we will write 1 lakh 20,000. The next point states sold 50% of the above goods at a profit of 2,000 on credit to Ram. Now just solve it step by step. The first step said you have to sell 50% of the above goods. They are goods of 20,000. So 50% of 20,000 is 10,000. Stock में से we will deduct 10,000. Profit बोल रहे हैं 2,000, that will be added to the capital 2,000. Now the sale should be of 12. 10,000 का सामान, 2,000 profit, the sale should be of 12,000 and we are selling it on credit, so it will be shown under debtors 12,000. So cash will be of 1 lakh, stock will be of 10,000, debtors of 12,000 and capital will become now 1 lakh 22,000. The last point said Ram paid 90% of his amount in full settlement. Ram has to pay 12,000 but he is paying only 90%. That means he will pay 10,800 and the remaining 1,200 will be discount allowed to him. So from debtors we will deduct full 12,000 rupees, but in cash we will add only 10,800 and the loss due to discount, that is 1,200, will be deducted from the capital. The final equation will be cash of 1,10,800, stock of 10,000, debtors will not be there and capital will be of 1,20,800. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हमारा क्वेश्चन होगा जिसमें हमें अगर गुड सेल आउट करनी है या फिर फुल सेटलमेंट करना है. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In the next question, it is given that business started with cash of 50,000 and goods of 20,000 rupees. ठीक है, so there is cash, there are goods of 20,000. Then we are purchasing goods on cash 15,000 and credit 10,000. The next point, goods costing 24,000 sold at a profit of 33 whole 1 by 3% and half of the payment is received in cash. In the last point states purchased furniture for office use and for household use. So in the first point, when we are starting business with cash and goods, we will write cash and stock 50 and 20 and the capital will be 70,000. In the next point, it states that you are purchasing goods on cash as well as on credit. So the total purchase is of 25,000. So in stock, we will add 25,000. From cash, we will deduct 15,000. जितना हमने cash पे किया है, from cash we will deduct 15,000. And for the amount of goods which we are purchasing on credit, that amount of 10,000 will be added to the creditors on liability side. So the equation after this transaction will be cash of 35,000, stock of 45,000, creditors of 10,000 and capital of 70,000. The next point is an important one which states that there are goods of 24,000 which are being sold at a profit of 33 whole 1 by 3%. It simply means at 1/3 profit. 24,000 के goods को 1/3 profit पे सेल करना है, तो goods हो गए 24 के, stock में से we will deduct 24,000. The profit should be 1/3. That means 1/3 of 24,000, that is 8,000 rupees. So in capital we will add 8,000. From stock we will deduct 24,000 and in capital we will add 8,000. Now the total sale is of 24 plus 8, 32,000 मिलना चाहिए. Now the question states the half payment is being received in cash. In cash we will add 16,000 and in debtors we will add 16,000. The total sale is of 32,000, out of which half payment is being received in cash, that will be added to cash, and the remaining half payment which has not been received, that means the sale which is on credit, will be added to debtor. So after this equation the amount will be cash will be for 51,000, stock of 21,000, debtors 16, liabilities में creditors 10 and capital of 78. In the last point, the owner is purchasing furniture costing 6,000 for business and 4,000 for his house. Now the total cash that is going out of business is 10,000. So from cash we will deduct 10,000. Now the assets that the furniture that is being used in business, that the asset of business, that will be shown in asset side as a different column. Furniture 6,000, and the amount of 4,000 which is being withdrawn, which is being used for personal use, that will be shown, that will be deducted from capital because it is a drawing. So the final equation after this will be cash of 41,000, stock of 21,000, debtors of 16,000, furniture of 6, creditors worth rupees 10,000, and capital of 74,000. And this is how we will do the question number 9. In the next video, we will discuss another type of questions that are based on accounting equation. Till then, take care and have a great day.